What's up guys? Today we're going to do the video on a quick way on how to tint your eyebrows. So usually when I tint my eyebrows, I throw on a face mask and a pore strip, so that is why I'm looking like this. So to get started, we're going to make this short and sweet. The Mustache and Beard just for men. I usually use the red box, which is the medium brown. They do have a darker version and then a few lighter shades as well. I picked mine up from Target. What comes in the box is this little tray. It has a eye brush thing, which I don't use, and it comes with the color base, and then it comes with the developer. So it comes with these two bottles in a little handy dandy tray. It would help if I turn it around. In a little handy dandy tray. And then what you'll also need is some oil. I use vitamin E oil, but you can use literally any oil. A cotton round and some cotton swabs. Eye brush spoolie. So I'm gonna use this first. I'm just gonna spoolie the hairs up. And some of these like brown speckles on my face are the mask, so disregard. You're first gonna start with your vitamin E oil, and all you're gonna do is put that on a cotton tip and basically drench it. So this is going to keep the color dye off your skin surrounding your eyebrow. So I'm just going to go around the areas. The more oil, the better chances that no color will get on that skin. There's like the unibrow section, so I just flip and use the other side of my cotton tip, drench it, and I like start in the middle, but on me, I do want my brows to come a little bit closer together in the center. So I will, this is the part where I like to really shape it. So I take it in the middle, and then I will just kind of carry this down. Same to this side. Don't bring it all the way down. But I don't want the front to be too boxy or too like bold. So I'll bring it down here. And bring this really close. There. So that's about, this is like the blueprint, what you're about to put down. Alright, next you're going to mix your two colors. So you're just going to take your cotton round and your two colors, like so, and I really just put like a dollop, a little teeny weeny dollop of each, and I will show you. We'll put them same size, side by side, so it looks like this on the cotton round. And then I just swirl it around with the cotton tip, a new one, so it looks like so. And you got your cotton tip, and I'm gonna drench that in the color and just go at it on your eyebrow. I'm just gonna go all over because you already laid down your layout on with the oil. So this one you can be a little messy and not have to worry too much, but I wouldn't get too crazy. Don't color too far outside the line though, you know what I'm saying? All right now. Okay, so your eyebrows should look like so. Sometimes I get a little out of control and I let it sit for a long time because I get like caught up in stuff like shows, Netflix. But it just says 5 minutes. So we'll sit here for 5 minutes and then we'll come back, wipe it off, and I will show you the finished product.
Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can now click the little subscribe now button in the corner of my video while it's playing to subscribe to my channel, because that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. Subscribe. Subscribe in the corner of my video. In the corner of my video.
Oh, if I didn't mention this before, you can get this for $8 at Target or any drugstore. So I'm gonna say less than $10. But you know, they charge like $20, $25 for a tint, maybe more depending on where you go at like these spas. So I got you with the bargains. Alright, I'm back and I got my wet cotton round. So all you do is just wipe it off. Okay, eyebrow. Come through. So that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip on how to tint your eyebrows for less than $10 at home. And then please don't forget to subscribe. It's now in the corner of my video like mentioned before. And don't forget to share this video to others who could also get tinted brows for less than $10.
$10? $10? Less than $10?
I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thanks guys. Bye.